Hey everybody, I'm Benjamin. How's it going? Usually, I'm a really happy guy. I got green eyes, beautiful wife, cute kids, and it's sunny today. Hey, today actually, I'm a little bummed out. Bummed out? Yeah, I'm a little bit sad, a little bit let down. I'm made blue, I'm bummed out. Check it out, look. I got this letter returned. I sent it to my aunt, but it was returned back to me because they no longer send mail to America due to the coronavirus. Bummed out. There are other uses for this word and other meanings, alright? Like, I am bumming out today. I'm lazy. Look, I didn't style my hair. I got this jacket on. I'm just like this, alright? Also, a bum is a homeless person. That's another word for bum. Another meaning is for your butt. That's your bum, alright? Also, we say, can I bum some money? Like to my wife, hey babe, can I bum some money? I don't have any. And she says, okay, thank you very much. Another use is we say, I'm going to bum around today, it means I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to bum around my house all day. I'm going to watch movies, read books, do nothing basically. I'm going to bum around. Also, it means I'm going to travel without purpose. For example, I'm going to bum around California for a month. I'm going to bum around Europe. There are a few other examples of using the word bum, but the main ones I've just described. Again, I am bummed out about my letters not being sent to America. Oh well. So, are there any bums where you live? Who has a nice bum? What do you wear when you bum out? Who do you bum money from? What country or what place would you like to bum around at? Alright, I'm Benjamin. Please don't be bummed out today, okay? Cool. See you later.
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。楽しんでいただけましたか？下の情報をぜひご確認ください。
Don't stop!